Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deactivate your messenger, and this is quite simple. So if you turn left in the top on the three lines and click on settings, we can go to the bottom and there you have Meta Account Center. But keep in mind, if you want to deactivate your messenger, you also need to deactivate your Facebook account. So we will do this now. So click on Meta Account Center and from here click on Personal Details. Then from here go to Account Ownership and Control, and from here click on Deactivation or Deletion. And then from here we click on the account that we want to deactivate, so click on the account. Then from here you have two options, deactivate additional Facebook profile or delete additional Facebook profile. Click on the first option and then do continue. Then from here fill in your password. Click on continue, and right now give Meta the reason why we are deactivate our account. I don't feel safe on Facebook, that is fine for now. Click on continue. From here click on continue, and right now if you click on deactivate my profile, so let's do that. We have to wait for a few seconds, and right now if you can see, we just deactivated our Facebook aka Meta account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.